Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the Outdoor Stuff YouTube channel. And today it's Canteen Cup Tuesday. So, we're going to cook up a Canteen Cup recipe that I saw Florida Boy Survival YouTube channel do. And I thought I'd test it out and see how I liked it. Now, we all know, if you watched any of the Florida Boy Survival channel, you know he really loves canned chicken. So we're going to use canned chicken today with our Northside's broccoli cheddar rice here. And we're going to use the old GI Canteen cup. And my homemade silverware kit that I put together from Walmart. And at Walmart you can get their, I think it's their, not sure what their brand name is. At any rate, if you look through the silverware section there, you'll see they have little packets of 3 knives, a pack of 3 spoons, or a pack of 3 forks, and they're like about $1.68. So I put together 3 little sets that I could put in my bug out bag, my regular hiking pack, and in my little canteen cup here. Now, canteen cover came from my local surplus store, about $7. So we got that all fixed up. We got our genuine GI Canteen there, and then we got our lighter in the side pocket. Always have an extra one. And then we got our lid. Now this is a Rothko Canteen Cup set. It comes with a lid and the Canteen Cup. You can find that on Amazon. And I'll put a link below. Because if you're looking, you'll also find a Rothko Canteen Cup that does not come with a lid. And it's actually like $1 more expensive than the kit with the lid. So I'll put the link in the description so you guys can find that. Canteen Cup set. So let's get this guy out of here. Now it's a pretty standard Canteen Cup. Handles on the side. Nothing too exciting. Also, I have that other cup that they have on Amazon that only comes with the cup. It has different handles, and it doesn't quite fit the GI Canteens I found, which is why I went out and got this kit. So, let's get started here. We're going to open up our chicken, pour in our juice. I'm going to say I'm going to start with about a quarter cup of Canteen Cup full of water, and probably about half the rice, just to see where my volume is on the cup, and we'll go from there. I'll bring you right back here when we get this going. Alright, now that we got our simmer going here, open up the package. Now, before I came on camera, I did shake this up real good, try to stir up the seasoning that's in the package. And I got about half a package going there. So we'll give this a quick stir. And I think I'll turn up the heat just a little bit. For now, that should be good. So we're going to put the lid, I'm going to turn that back down, put the lid back on, give it a few minutes, and see where we are. I might need to add some more liquid. It's kind of a eyeball thing here. We're not really going by a precise recipe. So I'll bring you back in a few minutes when this has had time to cook the rice to pretty close to done. And then we'll add our chicken in, and I'll give it a taste test. Alright everybody, We've let this cool down a little so I don't burn my lips clean off. And we're going to give it a taste test. Nice chicken chunks. Pasta's done nicely. Pasta and rice combo done nicely. And it's supposed to have a cheese sauce, but because I only did about half, I don't think I got quite enough sauce in there to actually make it cheesy. But it's very chickeny. Tastes pretty good. Should be very filling. Half a cup here, I think it's going to fill me up pretty well. And I've still got half a bag of my rice and pasta blend with broccoli and cheese sauce to make another meal out of. And if I had used like half a can of the chicken, I could do this twice. Just carry a little Ziploc bag along in your pack to save your extra chicken in for later in the day. But I think this is a winner. Simple, easy to do. Any size stove or campfire. This would be a great meal to fill you up and give you some energy for hiking, or when you're out backpacking and want something simple to make. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. Thanks to Florida Boy Survival for giving us the recipe idea to try. See how we like it. I suggest you go out and do it yourself. Give it a taste. See how you like it. I think you'll like it, and it's a winner. See you next time on Canteen Cup Tuesday.